Hi, Adam here, and I'm back with another video of Malicious File Hunter software. I'm on maliciousfilehunter.com /buy.php, and this video will be to explain the difference between the various editions available for Malicious File Hunter. Now, let's start with a demo. The demo is free and runs for 30 days, after which the software will cease to function. What you get with the demo is basically just one thread. A thread means a search resource for Malicious File Hunter. Basically, when you start a search of Malicious File Hunter, whether you're running a search on one computer or multiple computer, that one thread will be used in the demo. So it's pretty straightforward when it concerns one computer, but when you're running it over multiple computers, let's say it's 10 computers, then the search will start by sending the search request to the first computer, and it waits for the results. Then it moves to the second, the third, the fourth, until it reaches the last computer to search for. All this happens in seconds, and the speed depends on the resources available on the target computer and also how good the network is. Other features with the demo, there's no restrictions on how many files you can search, and you can also upgrade using that demo without having to uninstall and install to any of the other editions. You also get free support. You can send your comments, your feedback, and that's actually built into the software itself. Moving on to the standard edition. Now, in the standard edition, you get 10 threads. Like I said, a thread is a search resource. Now, with 10 threads, let's say if you run a search on 100 computers, that means each one of those threads will search 10 machines at a particular time. So it's faster search results compared to just running one thread that's going to go through 100 machines, searching each one of them and waiting for the results before they start the next search. So the more threads you run, basically, the more you're able to, the faster you can get results back. And it also depends on the resource available on local machine. Now, any decent machine can run like something like 100, 200 threads at a time. Let's say you have a 4 gig machine with an i3 or an i5 processor type machine, then you can run 100, 200 threads without an issue at all. You can even leave them in the background. You can increment those based on what specs you have in the machines. So on the other features, then you get also a limited search. You get the updates. If we push out any new updates to software, you can always go and download them and install them. It will be, all the updates will be free for the life of the edition that you have. So as long as you keep it running, then you get all the updates, and you're also entitled to support during that period. Moving on to the professional edition, you get 100 threads with professional edition, and on top of that you get a search scheduler. Search scheduler is what allows you to run searches automatically without having to manually sit and type what you want to search for files. So if you know what you're searching for, let's say 3, 4, 5 files, then you can just configure them on the scheduler, and then you can set what days you want to run. Think of it like a Windows scheduler, time, etc. And when it runs, you get the results in a .csv file saved on a path of your choice. In any of the editions, then you get 30 days free trial. Basically, when you sign up, you roll in for 30 days without having to pay any money. So it's the subscription is run by PayPal, so there's no charge, and you can cancel anytime. On the Enterprise edition, then there is no limit to threads that you can run. The limit is basically the resources available on the computer where Malicious File Hunter is installed. In addition to that, you get the feature called copy to share, which basically means that on the search results, if you see, if you're looking just for suspicious files, let's see, you're looking for fax underscore document and .exe, and on the search results there's only one computer that has it. So instead of mapping share or requesting a file from that particular computer, etc., you can simply just right click on the file and copy it to another share of your choice, and during that you can also zip it with a password protection. That prevents it from accidentally being clicked by anyone, and you can also send it after that to one of your security teams or AV vendor. In addition, you get also the features of Professional Edition, which is search scheduler, and on top of that you get priority support. So we tend to reply to support requests in under 3 hours, but it's often a lot faster, typical turnaround of 30 minutes. So that's it for all the editions of Malicious File Hunter. Thank you.